الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
هذه المساجد فتحت أبوابها والشوق سار في الفؤاد سيرا. هذه المساجد
Assalamu alaikum, guys, hope you're well, alhamdulillah. We are in Syria, in Idlib, distributed. This is the final of 1,000 food parcels. So guys, your donations, alhamdulillah, have provided 1,000 families with food today. So if you look behind me, the brothers are here, just literally getting everything ready. So we've got a food parcel, we've got a packet of bread, 5 kilos of potatoes, and each family is also getting a Quran. Guys, jazakallah khair for your support during these difficult times. You know, there's so much going on around the world, but the brothers here in Syria and the sisters, they need this help, and alhamdulillah, may Allah reward each and every one of you guys for supporting Jigsaw charity and helping us be out here doing what we do best. Without your donations, we wouldn't be here, you know what, making it a better world piece by piece.